Imagine you're ready to download a new app or game on Google Play. You're excited, ready to hit that buy button. But then you realize, can you pay with paysafe? This is a question that has puzzled many gamers and app enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Google Play payments and find out if paysafe is one of the accepted payment methods. Before we get to the main question, let's quickly understand what Google Play and paysafe are. Google Play is the official app store for Android devices. It's where you can find a vast array of apps, games, movies, and more. Paysafe, on the other hand, is a digital payment method that allows you to make online transactions without revealing your personal financial information. Addressing the main question. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Google Play accept paysafe? Unfortunately, as of current date, Google Play does not directly accept paysafe as a payment method. Exploring alternatives. But don't worry, there are still ways to enjoy Google Play without using paysafe. One popular alternative is to use a gift card. You can purchase a Google Play gift card from various retailers, including online stores and physical locations. Once you have the gift card code, you can redeem it on Google Play and use the balance to make purchases. Another option is to use a digital wallet like Google Wallet or PayPal. These wallets often allow you to link your paysafe account, enabling you to use paysafe indirectly on Google Play. Additional considerations. While these alternatives are viable, it's important to note that there might be regional variations in terms of available payment methods. It's always recommended to check Google Play's official website or contact customer support for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Additionally, keep in mind that the availability of payment methods can change over time. So, if you're interested in using paysafe on Google Play in the future, it's a good idea to check for updates regularly. To summarize, while Google Play doesn't currently accept paysafe directly, there are several workarounds that you can explore. Using gift cards or digital wallets like Google Wallet or PayPal can provide convenient alternatives for making purchases on Google Play. Remember to check Google Play's website or contact customer support for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding payment methods in your region. If you have any further questions or would like to share your experiences with Google Play payments, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.